social contract. In that regard, the Thansa is very much relevant, and today Maharaj will brief the success of that leaving no one behind, but bringing everyone together in the front. So may I call upon Maharaj to kindly brief the media on this very special occasions of the 100th milestone achievement.
Humkaham to everyone. I want to first of all extend my heartfelt gratitude, and I would like to extend my best wishes to TSF, Tripura Student Federation, for joining the movement for the Greater Tripura Land. Greater Tripura Land is a movement where we want every Triprasa, every individual who may not even be a Triprasa, who believes in the concept of a state which had a great history, a great future, a flourishing career, and a wonderful one-harmony between friends, communities, irrespective of religion and ethnicity. I am very happy because I have been associated with TSF since 2002. When I was not even in Tripura, I have worked with TSF, and after 19 years, TSF and our organization Tripura Motha have jointly decided to fight for Greater Tripura Land movement. TSF has a great history. It was formed in 1968, 67, with an ideology to improve upon the Triprasa students. And let me tell you that till the time we do not come together for the benefit of our Dokha, our community, we will always suffer. TSF has its units not only in Tripura, TSF has its units all over India. They also have a unit outside India. And I will appeal to all of these units outside Tripura and outside even India, which are some are there in Bangladesh as well, to morally स्टेट में हो रहा है. मैं अपील करता हूं स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को टू काइंडली लुक इनटू इट एंड रिड्यूस द लेवल ऑफ वायलेंस. पहले से इकोनॉमी खराब है, पहले से कोविड से सिचुएशन बहुत प्रॉब्लम में है, और इस तरीके से वायलेंस होने से त्रिपुरा में कोई इन्वेस्ट भी नहीं करेगा, कोई बिजनेस भी नहीं आएगा. और इस वायलेंस से हमको क्या मिल रहा है? अगर इलेक्शन होना है 2023 में तो 2023 में बात कीजिए, लेकिन वायलेंस अभी से शुरू हो जाएगा तो नुकसान पॉलिटिशियन को कभी नहीं होता, कोई नेता को नुकसान नहीं होगा, नुकसान सिर्फ आम जनता का होता. तो ये ड्यूटी बनता है, होम इज अंडर द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, to ensure that there is peace and there is law and order. I am making it very clear. Law and order has to be maintained in Tripura, and the image of Tripura has to be maintained. And ये बात आप त्रिपुरा मोथा से चेयरमैन मैं हूं, ये आप बात छोड़ दीजिए कि अलायंस किसके साथ होगा किसके साथ नहीं होगा. हमारा एक डायरेक्ट लाइन है ग्रेटर ट्रिपल लैंड के लिए, और जो हमारे ग्रेटर ट्रिपल लैंड को अग्री करता है राइटिंग में दे, अगर नहीं देता है तो हम अकेले पूरे इलेक्शन में लड़ेंगे. आज का त्रिपुरा पैसे के पीछे पद के पीछे नहीं भागेगा, त्रिपुरा मोथा पैसे पद के पीछे नहीं भागेगा. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज. मुझे चीफ मिनिस्टर नहीं बनना है, मुझे होम मिनिस्टर पीडब्ल्यूडी मिनिस्टर नहीं बनना है, मुझे ग्रेटर ट्रिपल लैंड चाहिए, और उस इश्यू में वी विल नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज. वी वांट समथिंग इन राइटिंग from under the constitutional guarantee from the government of India or whoever would like to come in front and talk to us.
My last question. In certain parts of the state, the NLF is trying to misguide the legal policy. I mean, they are trying to revive their organization and all. So what would be your message towards the people so that they don't
control Nagrik Suraksha Manch, control Amra Bangali, and you will not have the other side misguiding other people. It takes two hands to clap. It takes two hands to clap. And we know who are the people who are provocating. Has the murderer of Biswajit Parma been arrested? Has the murderer of Mantri Lal Kaiting been arrested? Has Pindulal Chakma's murderer been arrested? So, जो माधव बारी में हुआ उसमें कोई जस्टिस हुआ है? So, my message is, there is wrongs on both sides. But, if you can control these elements which are provocating, one society, the other society will be happy. I have always spoken for peace, whether it is Tiprasas or Bengalis, Chorais or Liams, Muslims and Hindus and Christians. We are secular. We believe in no discrimination of any religion. We believe in inclusivity. But the government has to now stop these organizations which are fringe elements, which are creating ethnic divide between communities. Tipra Mota has not spoken against any community. We have only spoken for the constitutional rights of the Tiprasa people. We have not spoken against any community. जब से हम पावर में आए हैं, not one act of violence has happened against any non-Tiprasa community in EDC. So ये जो वहम फैलाया जाता है, ये एक एलिमेंट है त्रिपुरा में जिनका राजनीति रहता है। जब कोई तिप्रासा डिमांड करे तो उनको कम्युनल बनाओ, जब कोई और करे तो उसको राष्ट्रवादी बनाओ। इसको कर्टेल करने के लिए स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को कदम उठाना चाहिए।
Okay, tabuk norok ni support borno ni pana borle je Tipra Motha ni student organization norok da ngai na ki onno da khai amno tei ke ko sari
ang norok no mono saka TSF ni nahamu borok do pani chini borok indigenous mot ani hansa no kare ar kuno kure Maharaj ni kaham nahar mungo bini greater Tripura ni hansa ni mariwo sentabo Maharaj ni ringma bai sentabo Maharaj no full listen support karaina.
okay